Good job today, campers. Bon travail aujourd'hui à participants yo. Good job this week. Bon travail semaine ça. What did you learn today? Qui ça a été appris aujourd'hui? Raise your hand. Levez-moi. Remember, you can change your stars. Songez ou ka changer étoile ou yo. You can change your future. Ou ka changer fitiwa. Education is a great way to do that. Éducation, c'est une bonne façon pour faire ça. Learning English is a very important skill to have. Apprendre anglais, c'est une habilité très importante pour vous.
In this big, big world, there is only one me. I like all my colors, of my eyes, of my hair, of my skin. In this big, big world, there is only one you. I like all your colors, of your eyes, of your hair, of your skin. So many colors, so many colors, so many shades, so many shades. We all look different, we all look different, but our hearts are all the same. So many colors, so many colors, so many shades, so many shades. We all look different, we all look different. So come on everybody, let's celebrate. In this big, big world, there is only one me. I like all my shapes, everything from my head to my feet. In this big, big world, there is only one you. I like all your shapes, everything from your head to your feet. So
Let's review. À nous passé. Raise your hand if you know the word in Creole or Spanish. Levez-moi si vous connaissez moi en créole ou bien espagnol. Happy. Happy. Angry. Angry. Hungry. Hungry. Sad. Sad. Tired. Tired. I'm very tired. I'm very tired. Today. Today. How are you today? Toes. Toes. Body. Body. Legs. Legs. Fingers. Fingers. Hand. Hand. Arm. Arm. Mouth. Mouth. Ears. Ears. Chin. Chin. Head. Head. Eyes. Eyes. Nose. Nose. This is me. This is me. Here we go. Here we go. My head. My head. My mouth. My mouth. My body. My body. Hair. Hair. Neck. Thank you for doing English Camp with me this week. Merci parce que tu fais anglais ensemble avec na semaine ça. I love you, moi meu, and God loves you, et bon Dieu meu. I know you can continue to learn English. M'konou ka continue apprendre anglais. You can speak English just like me. Ou ka parler anglais même jan avem. These videos are public. Video sayo public. You can find them on YouTube. Ou ka joigno su YouTube. Here's the name of the channel. Me no Shin. Your counselor can also help you find it. Instructeua tu ka do joinli. So you can watch the videos many times if you want. And bu ka gade video plusieurs fois s'ouvle. Until you say everything in English, just like me. Jis ou di tout bagay en anglais, même jan avem. Let me share a Bible verse with you. Kitem partager yon verset Bib ensemble avec vous. Jeremiah 29:11. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to give you hope and a future. Se mwen ki konesam gen na tet mwen pou nou. Se mwen mem se yon kap pale. Se bien nou mtavle we pa male nou. Mwen tavle demen nou jwen sanap tan la. Let's skip to verse 13. Anugade verset 13. You will seek me and find me when you seek me with all of your heart. Na shashem na jwen mwen paske na shashem ak tout ke nou. It's time to say goodbye. Keep learning English. Lile pou nou di bye-bye. Continue ap étudier anglais. See you next time. Na we yon prochaine fois. Bye-bye.
Goodbye, goodbye, friends. Goodbye, 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 friends. It's time to say goodbye. But first, walk, walk, walk. Jump, jump, jump. Run, run, run. Stop. Hop, hop, hop. Swim, swim, swim. Dance, dance, dance. Stop. Goodbye, 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 friends. Goodbye, 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 friends. It's time to say